One Om Namah Shivaya, one Om Namah Shivaya. Now first priority, practice stop loss entry at 29 or 79, stop loss at 0, 1 or 51 from top or bottom. 2, average to range ATR. 3, the power of stop loss and risk reward. 4, the art of setting a stop loss. Percentage, key levels, volatility, time, relative invalidation. 5, types of stop loss. 6, types of stop loss orders. Fixed, granted, trailing limit, market moving average, pattern candle. 7, you enter a trade. 8, stop loss masterclass. 9, stop loss cheat sheet. 10, previous days high and low strategy. 11, high. 12, open high and open low. ORB, open range breakout, index combo, pivot reversal, due to a 38% ABC retracement. 13, first candle high low. When trading, trade day, iron condor, present, previous data, option, theta, channel, hour, trading, trader, experience. When not to trade, trading timetable, trading in range, trader in trend, trade in trend, trade in range, trade in trend, day wise nifty behavior, iron condor, present, vigilant and fast, previous main plan. Data need to be checked. Option Greek, delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho. Channel for providing data. Our family business is option trading, and we are option trader with skill and experience of setting a stop loss. Om Namah Shivaya. Hunger, त्याग दे. 27, 6, 25. Now first priority, practice stop loss entry at 29 or 79, stop loss at 0, 1 or 51 from top or bottom. Average to range, call put ratio. Om Namah Shivaya, the supreme power. Average to range, call put ratio, normal stop loss, break even stop loss, trailing stop loss, trading stop loss, trailing stop loss, stop loss hunting, stop loss slippage, right way to use stop loss, where to set your stop loss, how to decide stop loss, box trading, range trading, trend trading, support, resistance, breakout candle, swing trading. Three, the power of stop loss and risk reward. Risk reward, target 2000, stop loss 4000. You need to get 67% of winning trades to cover your losing trades. Risk reward 1, target 3000, open profit loss risk reward ratio 1, stop loss 3000. You need to get 51% of winning trade to cover your losing trades. Risk reward 2 and more, target 4000, risk reward ratio 2, stop loss 2000. You need to get only 34% of winning trades to cover your losing trades. 4, the art of setting a stop loss. Main types of stop loss: 1% based stop loss, 4%, 1%, 2 key levels based stop loss, resistance, support. 3, volatility based stop loss. Average daily move 100 pipes, stop loss 25 pipes. 4, time based stop loss. Plan, running the trade for 2 days. Types of stop loss orders: 5 types of stop loss order. Granted stop loss order, GSLO, trailing stop loss order, limit stop loss order, market stop loss order. 6 types of stop loss order: fixed order, 1 fixed order, 2 trailing stop loss order, 3 market order. 7, you enter a trade, nothing happen, get out to your signal is probably not strong. Price immediately move in your favor, manage your trades accordingly. Price immediately move against you, get out and don't wait for the full loss if momentum is against you. Stop loss masterclass, start here. 1, what does a stop loss do? Protect your capital when you are wrong, put profit into context. 2, how far should your stop loss be? Closure, smaller loss but lower win rate, wider, bigger loss but higher win rate. 3, use market order types, not limit orders. Flat percent stop loss. Pros, easy to place, easy to test. Cons, doesn't account for wider market conditions, doesn't take into account other price data. Time stops. Pros, easy to implement, easy to test, requires experience, requires testing. Trailing stop loss. Pros, potential to capture large moves, set and forget. Cons, vulnerable in choppy conditions. Relative stops. Pros, account for market conditions, systematic and repeatable. Cons, scale with volatility, limiting both downside and upside in heavily trading markets. Invalidation stops prawns factors in current data. It takes advantage of experience. Cons difficult to backtest, requires experience, prone to emotional mistakes. 9 stop loss cheat sheet. 1 percentage based stop loss. I am willing to risk 2% of my account on this trade. After determining the percentage you are willing to risk, use technical analysis to find a strategic place to put your stop loss and then calculate the lot size using our lot size calculator. Support resistance, stop lose, stop loss below the red line, stop loss below the red line, stop loss here below the strong support. Price volatility stops, Bollinger Bands, place stop loss here, place stop loss here, Bollinger Bands, 4 time stop loss, cut off trade at a certain time. Example, day traders close trades at a certain time each day, cut off trades at the end of certain sessions, cut off trade before the weekend, leave trades open for a set of hours, day, weeks, etc. Stop loss mistakes, placing stop loss too tight, using the position size or amount you are willing to lose to place your stop, not technical analysis. Placing stop loss too wide, placing stop loss exactly on support resistance. Stop loss rules: 1, don't move your stop loss based on emotions. Trail your stops. 3, do not widen your stop loss. Place stop loss here. Advantage daily range 50 pipes. Place stop loss here. ATR average to range. I will hold the trade until Thursday at 6 p.m. 10 previous days high and low strategy. 10 previous day high and low strategy. High, low, close, open, nope, M15, yes, profit. 11 high, close, open, low, bull market, stop trending up, upper shadow, weak, real body, lower shadow, weak, high, open, close, low, bear market, stop trading down, bull market, stop trading up, bear market, stop trading down. Open high and open low, best intraday techniques, ORB strategy, intraday trading technique, morning reversal intraday strategy 1, morning reversal intraday strategy 2, Nifty 50 trending strategy, index combo, intraday trading techniques, pivot reversal intraday trading techniques, 15-minute sleep strategies, Elliott wave ABC 38% retracement, intraday trading strategies, 3 shoulders, intraday trading strategies. Conclusion about all intraday trading: first candle high low, first 1 hour high low, first 2 hour high low, second 2 hour high low, third 2 hour high low, previous day high low, previous week's high low, previous monthly high low, previous year high low. Trading day timetable: expiry influenced by short seller, bearish bullish operators, position or data or expanded time. Several time both call and put seller build heavy position on only one strike price. Example 25,800. At that time there is more chance of expiry at 25,800 only. So make trade accordingly. If market go 50-20 points up or down. Solution of trading difficulties: if you are an option buyer, then avoid holding position, otherwise you will lose your all money by premium decay. So do breakout or swing trading with stop loss. Buy after 10:30 a.m. and sell after 3 p.m. and before 3:14 p.m. Between 3:15 to 3:30 there is very high premium decay. Try to start and hold minimum quantity. Keep maximum amount for backup or protection. If market is 50 or 100 point range, then we can avoid trading and can take entry after range breakout with stop loss. One range bound market. Start on Friday after 11 by buying both call and put at 40 or 60. Buy next strike price at 40 or 60 and book profit at 10 or 15. 2 after breakout, increase quantity at breakout side with stop loss and hold position on breakout day, especially on trend side. Market would be in small range for 1, 2 or 3 days after breakout day. When market is in range bound, it can move only 20 point For example, it can be between 25 to 45. So plan your trade accordingly. Market would be in small range for 1, 2 or 3 days after breakout day. Sell ATM, call and put, and buy double and more OTM, call and put, iron condor strategy. Be present all the time, vigilant, fast in booking profit or maintaining stop loss or buying or sell or buy or sell. 3 question, 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half quantity and price strategy in option trading needs call put balance time. Serial number, TM name, client code, buy sell, instrument symbol, expiry date, option type, strike, trade number, trade time, quantity, price, trade value. In option trading, the Greeks refer to a set of financial metrics that measure the sensitivity of an option price to various factors. The main Greeks are: 1 delta, measure the rate of change of the option price with respect to the underlying assets price. 2 gamma, measure the rate of change of the option delta with respect to the underlying assets price. 3 theta, measure the rate of decline of the option value due to time passing. 4 vega, measure the sensitivity of the option price to change in volatility. 5 rho, measure the sensitivity of the option price to change in interest rate. These Greeks help trader and investor understand and manage the risk associated with option trading. GIFT Nifty, FII and DII data, American market open, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq Composite, European market closing, American market closing, Asian market opening, Nikkei 225, Chinese market, Taiwan market, South Korea market, crude oil, option data. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get these important data at 8 a.m. every day. Kindly cross-check updated data from the official website and inform if any correction. We will not responsible for any correction. Our family business is option trading and we are option trader with skill and experience of setting a stop loss. Provide list of work which can be done by less than 14 years, more than 14 years, more than 16 years old children from home. Meta AI answer. Meta AI answer. Here are some online opportunities suitable for different age groups. Less than 14 years, creating digital art or graphics. 2, writing stories and poetry. 3, making video or animations. 4, online quizzes or games, educational. 5, helping with simple tasks, example data entry under adult supervision. 6, participating in kid-friendly online surveys. 7, creating and selling handmade products with parental guidance. More than 14 years. 1, freelance writing or editing. 2, virtual assistants, data entry, research. 3, online tutoring if they excel in a particular subject. 4, social media management for small businesses. 5, creating and selling digital products, ebooks, templates. 6, online surveys or market research. 7, participating in online gig economy. Fever, task rabbit. More than 16 years. 1, freelance writing or editing, more advanced. 2, digital marketing, social media management, SEO. 3, virtual assistants, more than complex tasks. 4, online tutoring, various subjects. 5, creating and selling online courses. 6, YouTube or Twitch streaming, Twitch TWITCH streaming. 7, affiliate marketing. 8, selling products online, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. Important consideration: 1, ensure parental consent and supervision if under 18. 2, follow platform term and conditions. 3, prioritize education and well-being. 4, develop necessary skills and knowledge. 5, be cautious of scams or exploitative opportunities. Some popular platforms for kids and teens includes: 1, Fiverr, freelance services. 2, Upwork, freelance work. 3, freelancers, competitive bidding. 4, online tutoring platform like TutorMe or Chegg. 5, survey platforms like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks. ChatGPT answers. Here a categorized list by age groups. Less than 14 years with parental supervision. 1, Chorus, CHORES, Chorus for pocket money, cleaning, organizing, gardening. 2, craft making, create and sell handmade craft, rakhi, etc. 3, drawing and painting, sell artwork locally or online. 4, basic cooking, baking, sell snacks with adult help. 5, singing or storytelling videos, share on YouTube, parent managed. 6, helping sibling with homework, earn small rewards. 7, recycling and reselling, collect and organize item to sell locally. 14 plus years. 1, tutoring younger student, local or online. 2, blogging or writing on hobbies, schools, tips, etc. 3, basic graphic design, using Canva for managing social media for family businesses or neighbors. 5. Reselling all items, books, toys, stationery. 6. Data entry, easy task for non-contacts. 7. Participating in competitions, easy writing, art, etc. with rewards. 16 years. 1. Freelance writing, designing, video editing on platform like Fiverr, Upwork with ID proof. 2. Online tutoring, even for board exams. 3. Affiliate marketing or drop shipping with learning and guidance. 4. YouTube, Instagram content creation, tech, art, education, fun videos. 5. Voice over work for stories, ads, or audiobooks. 6. Virtual assistants, managing a task for small businesses. 7. App testing or website feedback on legit platforms. 7. App testing or website feedback on legit platforms. 8. Online course creation, tech skills like math, art, coding. One, Om Namah Shivaya. Now first priority, practice stop loss entry at 29 or 79, stop loss at 0, 1 or 51 from top or bottom. 2. Average to range ATR. 3. The power of stop loss and risk reward. 4. The art of setting a stop loss. Percentage, key levels, volatility, time, relative invalidation. 5. Types of stop loss. 6. Types of stop loss orders. Fixed guaranteed trailing limit, market moving average, pattern candle. 7. You enter a trade. 8. Stop loss masterclass. 9. Stop loss cheat sheet. 10. Previous day high and low strategy. 11. High, 12. Open high and open low. ORB, open range breakout, index combo, pivot reversal, elude wave 38% ABC retracement. 13. First candle high low. When trading, trade day, iron condor, present, previous data, option, theta channel, our trading trader experience. When not to trade, trading timetable, trade in range, trade in trend, day wise nifty behavior, iron condor, present, vigilant and fast, previous main plan, data need to be checked, option Greek, delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho, channel for providing data. Our family business is option trading and we are option trader with skill and experience of setting a stop loss. 1. Om Namah Shivaya. Now first priority, practice stop loss entry at 29 or 79, stop loss at 0, 1 or 51 from top or bottom. 2. Average to range ATR. 3. The power of stop loss and risk reward. 4. The art of setting a stop loss. Present, key levels, volatility, time, relative invalidation. 5. Types of stop loss. 6. Types of stop loss order. Fixed guaranteed trailing limit, market moving average, pattern candle. 7. You enter a trade. 8. Stop loss masterclass. 9. Stop loss cheat sheet. 10. Previous day high and low strategy. 11. High, 12. Open high and open low. ORB, open range breakout, index combo, pivot reversal, elude wave 38% ABC retracement. 13. First candle high low. When trading, trade day, iron condor, present, previous data, option, theta channel, our trading trader experience. When not to trade, trading timetable, trade in range, trade in trend, day wise nifty behavior, iron condor, present, vigilant and fast, previous main plan, data need to be checked, option Greek, delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho, channel for providing data. Our family business is option trading and we are option trader with skill and experience of setting a stop loss.